Hello, friends. Welcome to today's podcast episode. I am Luna, the host of this show. Are you looking for a cost-effective electric steam boiler? Introducing O'Brien Energy, the superior provider of heat-generating solutions in Australia. They manufacture high-performance and efficient electric steam boiler. Furthermore, get level control, front control panel and automatic water feed system in the boiler. They are the trusted supplier of packaged electric steam boilers at a competitive price. For further information, call them at 1300-771-759 or browse o'brienenergy.com.au and learn more about their services. Thank you all for joining. I will be back soon. Stay tuned.